Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Almost 9:30 here, 9:27. Big news this morning coming in live through the newswire just a few minutes ago.
Biden, the projected winner in Wisconsin.
So Biden overtook Trump in Georgia and Pennsylvania, and there's conflicting news that Trump is going to admit defeat today from Fox News. So we're going to listen in on that, see what he has to say. There's conflicting information, so we'll see. But I guess his advisors are urging him to admit defeat to save the Republican Party there. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, on that news, the markets are climbing well off their lows here. I'm looking at a few of our stocks here, looking good. The big winners today are medical marijuana stocks. You guys know that obviously Biden, Democrats, they want to approve medical marijuana. So stocks like Tilray, let's take a look, TLRY. You see these stocks really soaring here, taking off from their lows. Tilray was a stock that was quite a bit. If you go back about a year or two ago, I mean, this was up over $150 a share here. Stock's at $9 now. I think we're going to see some heavy volume coming into Tilray, and definitely something we could take advantage of. So let's keep our eye on Tilray. TrueLeaf, TCNNF. This is another good one here. They're all over the place here in Florida. So we could take a look at this one. See what this one's doing here this morning. Saying it's flat, but that's E-Trade Pro there. Others are saying it's higher here. But markets are getting a nice climb here. Tilray's up 15%. Square, SQ, up almost 6% here after a big earnings beat. Getting right up to almost that resistance at 190. We'll see what it does right around 190 to 193, 194. Here we go, guys. 9:30 is coming up. Alrighty, let's see what we got going on here today. Here we go, market open. Space, we got a space trade, Virgin Galactic. That one's in the green here. Let's see, might just take profits on that and just day trade that a little bit later. I don't want to take any loss on that. We got a nice little gain on that right now. Let's see. Let's see if we could get $1.05 for. There we go. Efren, I just sold out of our space trade. We are out of that. Order status. That was our spec trade going into earnings. We're out of that at $1.05. Let's see what else is going on here. American Eagle trade's pretty worthless here right now. See what else is moving. Tilray is really moving here, team. I really think I need to. And it's looking like Democrats are going to take control of the Senate and House. So I think first things first, I'm going to make a trade on Tilray here. I'm going to pick up 10 contracts at about, let's see if I can get in for $1.25. There we go. That was executed. Order status. We are now in Tilray. We got the December 18th 10 strike call. New trade. This is a trade challenge trade.
At the lowest 1506 down PS. Company reporting a wider loss than expected after the close yesterday, and getting downgrades and price cuts, price target cuts this morning. That's Papa Sandy Pluralsight.
Love that setup on Tilray. We already got a nice gain on it. Let's see, Avilio just traded ACB. That's another nice one right there. So I'm going to share with you guys the top marijuana stocks in the trade room here. I was doing some research before market open. Here is the top marijuana stocks on the market right there.
S&P 500 down 0.3% after the open, Dow down 0.3%, NASDAQ down 0.5%.
I love the setup on Tilray. She's still continuing to climb there. Already up $100 on our Tilray trade. Love that setup. I really think she could get up towards $15 if she continues that rally there. And I think we will see the medical marijuana industry continue to climb here from now into, you know, just January when he takes office. I mean, remember, this stock was just about $5 about 5 days ago. You know, she's doubled since then. So easy target is going to be $15. I'm telling you guys. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, Azaria. Good morning, team. Hope everyone had a great morning, great night. Good morning, Janeth. Let me post that trade right here.
Trump campaign saying the election is not over. It says once the
Okay,
election is
Trump's
final,
campaign saying election's
Trump
not
will be
over now.
reelected.
Why do you think Fox was lying there, Semper Fi?
PS Pluralsight shares resumed trading.
Let's
Continue
see
to
here.
drop.
Let's log in.
below $15 briefly, down 20% on Papa Sandy. House Speaker Pelosi formally seeking another 2 years as Speaker.
Pelosi seeking another 2 years as Speaker. Guys, we got a huge gain on our AMD trade. Thinking about locking that up.
From Politico.
We got 31% gain on AMD.
NEO, electric tweeting now. NEO unveils 100 kilowatt hour battery.
Wow, big news on NEO.
Owners upgrade if they want. That's November India Oscar.
Let's see. Ephraim, I just sold out of our AMD trade, 2.40 executed. Team, we just closed out of our AMD trade. I'll look to re-enter into that. We took in some profits.
FTS International halted on a circuit breaker. Foxtrot Tango Sandy India. FTSI announcing that it expects to emerge from Chapter 11 bankruptcy by the end of this month. That was last night in a press release from the company. Foxtrot Tango Sandy India, 528 up 61% now.
Alrighty, we closed up AMD. Let's see here. Ephraim, what was the gain on our AMD trade? Let's take a look at NEO quick. NEO's still on the climb. What a beast. I think this is another one we should be jumping into. I'm going to make a trade on NEO right now. Love that setup on NEO. There's some news out on NEO as well. I'm going to share that with you guys in the trade room. Look at what Elon Musk just tweeted. Elon Musk says, 420 is 10 times better than 42. Tesla stocks at 420. You know, Neo stocks at 42. That's funny. All right, let's see the other news on Neo. Here's the breaking news on Neo. Tech really pulled back from the highs there. Nice job locking in some profits. Ephraim, what was our gain on our AMD trade? 15%. You know? Okay, let me put that up here. Put that on YouTube. Let me see. Nice job there, guys. Excuse me. Nice job, Alex. Alex said he got an Amazon put. He's in the money on that. I'm watching Amazon up over here. If you guys are watching me on YouTube on my video, right here is the Amazon chart. Right there is the Google chart. So I'm watching Amazon break down there. It's looking like it's ready to change cycles, though. If you take a look today, 1 minute, you had that nice drop. What happened? You had that nice drop there. You flattened out. You're in consolidation area now, right? So this is what's important to watch here, guys.
Hotel, AMRH.
You got some nice consolidation. You got some nice consolidation after that big breakdown. Here is your nice breakdown this morning.
Coming up at 10 a.m. wholesale inventories.
Now she's starting to climb. Notice how you're starting to get that MACD. It crossed. There's your check mark. Look at your histogram. Your histogram, you got the first green bar there since going way back when it was in breakout momentum. So that's positive. Stock's down about 2%. So you're going to look to take quick profits on any type of day trades. Even though Tilray stock pulled back from where we entered, we're in the green on Tilray because the IV is continuing to climb. So that that implied volatility is continuing to climb here as Democrats seek to control the House, the Senate, and the White House here. So obviously it's going to be easy to pass some bills if the Democrats take control of the government. So keep an eye. We could possibly make a trade on Amazon here once that starts to take off. See what else we got moving here on the watch list. Square is still climbing. Square's looking good there. Let's see. Tom says, what do you think of Facebook this morning? Let's take a look at Facebook. I like that consolidation on Facebook right now. We got the first candles above the 10-day simple moving average on a today 1-minute chart. We got that MACD cross. We got the first green bars on our histogram climbing. So if we could break above 291 there, I like how it's holding that 290 support. If we take a look at 3-month daily chart here, that's support going way back to, you know, August of 2020. So if we could hold that 290 and continue that run, she's going to be taking out new highs by the end of the month. I like Facebook there, and I like it for a possible day trade if we could break that 291. There she goes. That's a nice climb there, Tom. Love that setup there. I might even jump into a day trade on Facebook here. Let's see what the Qs are doing quick. I always like to make sure the market is going our direction. Qs are starting to climb off the lows here as well. See, we have the Dow down about 126 points, 129 now, 132. So we're still dropping a little bit here, down to 135 now, 144. So we're definitely pulling back. NASDAQ's down about 113, down 0.95%. S&P's down about 18 points. So after the big climb we had this week, you know, you're going to see some volatility today. So keep cool, watch for good setups, and listen to the news. The news is going to be your best friend today. I'm going to watch Facebook here for a possible day trade. Or, let me see here. We didn't make another trade on Facebook yet, so this might be a really great opportunity to pick up another trade on Facebook. Maybe going with the November 20th Expo. So let's take a look at the option chain for Facebook and go over some trade ideas we might be making. We take a look at Facebook here. Where'd that go? Facebook November 20th, 290 strike. That's quite a bit. I'd probably rather do a spread. Buy to open, sell to open. Now that we're coming down to support here, this is a nice opportunity to pick up a November 20th. Let's see here. You can pick up it in the money, 287.50, 290. It's going for about $1.50. $1.53 to be worth 250, 2.5, divide that by 1.53. That's a 63% return there with low risk. Now it's at $1.45. That's not bad there. 2.5, divide that by 1.45. 72% gain. Walmart's climbing here. Big climb on Walmart.
It's selling its Argentina business.
Walmart's selling its Argentina business. Look at that breakout on Walmart. Look at that run there. That's a sweet day trade setup right here on Walmart. I think I might pick up a Walmart trade here. Let's see, WMT. I like that one going into the holidays. She's climbing, looking good. Let's see, call for November 20th. We could go. Let's go to the November 27th Expo. 146 calls going for about 395. That's not too bad there. All right, E for a new trade on Walmart. Let me post this for you guys. There we go. We just made a trade on Walmart. That's going to be posted in the trade room for you guys to take a look at. And that alert will be sent out. Let's see. PLTR. Don't even tell me that one's still on the move, huh? Oh, Avilio. Sold that one a little too early yesterday. What a nice climb there on Palantir Technologies. That's the one we were talking about yesterday that... What was it? Peter Thiel. Peter Thiel, Stephen Cohen. Nice run on Planeteer. Let's see. If Facebook holds at 290 today, I'm probably going to do a 287.50, 290 vertical spread for November 20th Expo. Let's see Peloton here. There's some news on the newswire about Peloton. Look at that one, 130 bucks a share. They're saying the COVID-19 spikes are going to continue to help stocks like Peloton, like Take-Two Interactive. But COVID-19 fears will continue to help them climb.
AVGR, low price stock, getting a spike in volume. Alpha Victor Golf Romeo.
Well, we did a nice job taking our AMD profits before. Now, if she starts to climb again on the 3-month daily chart, what I'm looking for is that hold at that 83 area. If we could hold that, still have that 90 in target there. We could make another trade on that once we break above, let's say, 84 bucks. Not even, maybe 83.75. I might re-enter back into advanced micro devices.
Edison Research says in Pennsylvania, Biden is ahead by 5,618 votes, and counting is continuing.
Biden ahead in PA by over 5,000 votes. Tilray's up 10% for the day, 11%. She's climbing off that 50. Looking good there, holding that 850 support. It's one that's going to be volatile over the next couple of days. You know, you got big moves on Tilray, on all the medical marijuana stocks for that matter. Still very bullish on that though for our expo, December 18th. Plenty of time on that. Don't let intraday noise, fear you out of Tilray. Amazon's still breaking down there. Got up to that 20, failed, heading lower now. Alex, are you still in those Amazon puts?
Midland enters the Chinese rice market.
Sold them, huh?
That according to Global Times, ADM.
I'd be afraid to be a ballot counter right now. You know, you got the two sides coming after you. Alex added to his Tilray. Nice job, Alex.
Starts to ship rice to China for the first time. That's Alpha Delta Michael.
Walmart getting a nice climb off that 10.
Coming up, wholesale inventories. The forecast is for plus 1%.
Wow, look at that big breakout on Walmart there, team.
Plus point.
Up over 3% on Walmart now.
Sales, the estimate was plus 1%. Wholesale inventories plus 0.4% versus minus 0.1% expected.
Nice breakout there on Walmart. Tilray's continuing to climb here as well. TLRY. Tilray's climbing off that 850 support, off that 50-day simple moving average. We need to see it climb above that $9.15 area to look for a new high for today. That's going to be our resistance right here.
MYOS, Miles Renz announcing net revenues increasing 39% for the first 3 months ending September 3rd.
What are you guys doing with NEO? Wow, she had a big pullback from the highs there. She's just starting to climb though again. First candle above that 10. There goes Tilray again. Nice job, Skyjack. Skyjack's up 8% on Tilray. I'm almost in the green on Tilray too. I was just down $280. Now I'm down 28 bucks on it. I'm telling you, that's going to be a volatile trade. So don't get feared out of that trade. There we go. We're back in the green on our Tilray trade.
AAPL Artello Biosciences seeing a spike in volume.
Tilray's taking
Alpha
off
Romeo
now.
Tango
Nice
Lima.
climb. It's getting right up to that resistance. Let's see if she could break that resistance. Nice, that's what I like to see. Let's continue that climb. Look at that. We back up $50 on the trade now. This is one here you guys could day trade for huge profits. I might do a day trade on Tilray. Or another medical marijuana stock here. Guys, if you guys are watching us on YouTube, you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like for us. Would greatly appreciate that. We're at 7 likes now. Let's hit that like button for me. Walmart's holding that 10. There goes Walmart again, continuing to climb. I'm watching Walmart here. I got Tilray. I got Baidu, Baba, Facebook, Booking, Expedia, Google, Amazon. And we got Square I'm looking at here as well. Under Armour's still continuing to climb nice and slowly here as well. Ryoma, I just saw your question about Square premiums. Could you rephrase that, please?
SPCE Virgin Galactic, November 27, $20 call sweeps active in SPCE.
Let's say, Pierre says, hi Dave, on a BABA trade in anticipation of anti-IPO. I'm up 22% with Expo Day 28 days out. Should I lock in profit? Well, let's go over BABA. Okay. So BABA, if you take a look here, she's still on the climb, looking good here on a today 1 minute. You take a look at that 3-month daily, it's looking like she's still continuing to climb, Pierre. You know, I'd be looking personally for that 300 as a target on BABA. But your stop would be an easy 292. So about $2 from where it's from right now. That'd be my stop. I'd continue to have a trailing stop each day as you're going forward here. As the stock continues to climb, have that tight trailing stop on that trade there. Because BABA could fluctuate pretty drastically. No problem. Had a great conversation with you yesterday as well, Pierre. Nice job. He's up 28% now on BABA. That's still in breakout momentum here.
Larry Kudlow on CNBC says the president intends to keep on fighting.
Larry Kudlow says president will keep on fighting. Obviously, BABA's going to continue to climb with Biden going into the White House, you know, so you got to keep that in mind as well, Pierre. All those tariffs, all those restrictions, I'm sure they're going to be lifted once Biden gets in office. Which to me would be a silly thing to do, you know?
ARTL, very heavy volume now. Alpha Romeo Tango Lima, Artello, shares spiking here.
Brian, I thought the same thing. I just had to post that news when it came out. What are you up on BABA now, Pierre? Are you up that 30% yet? Ooh, there she goes again. Just crossed 30%. Nice job, Pierre. Nice breakout there, Pierre. Big climb on Baba. Guys, Amazon's finally starting to climb here. I always scan through my other charts here. Amazon's finally starting to get that 1020 cross. Histogram's looking great. It was consolidating for quite a while here. Finally starting to break from the lows here. It's down about 2.07% for the day. Down about $70 for the day. Was down about 90. Climbing off the lows there, starting to look good. Walmart's climbing off that 20-day simple moving average. Take a look at Walmart here, WMT. Retrace back down to that 20 as it did earlier this morning at 9:40 a.m. Dropped down to that blue 20-day simple moving average. Had a nice climb, consolidated at that 10. Climb, just barely took out the highs, consolidated, retraced back down to that blue 20-day simple moving average. Now we got some resistance that she needs to break and climb above for that next continued climb there. See what Baba's doing there. What are you up on that Baba trade now, Pierre? What a candle.
Kudlow says there will be a peaceful, thinks there'll be a peaceful transfer of power.
35%. It's nice how you make that quick. What were you just up, 28? So quick 7% in just, what, 2 minutes there? Nice job. Let's see. Avilio said he jumped into Amazon for a day trade, right? Let's see what you do with that, Avilio. Let's see what Qs are doing here first, because that's the most important thing when looking at a trade. Qs are starting to climb, looking good. You got some resistance at 292 on Qs. Amazon looking pretty good there, Avilio. I'd love to jump into a day trade with you as well on this. Let's see what we got. AMZN, November 6th. Let's see, that was not executed yet. Order status, live, change. There we go, Avilio. I just jumped into that trade with you as well. I got one contract in the trade challenge account there on Amazon.
Over $249, almost 11% for Roku RFK.
Yeah, it had that nice pop. You got in right at that 1020 cross, so you had a nice entry there. Let's see if she breaks that 50. If she breaks that 50, she's going to climb nicely. There we go, Amazon. Here was the trade I got in on Amazon. I got today's Expo, the 3260 for a day trade. I was filled at 1957. What a year, 1957. I'm up a quick $100 on that trade as well, Avilio, 110. Let's see that continue to run there. $140 gain on that. Nice climb there. Let's see her get up to that 3275 here. It's a nice setup there on Amazon. There we go. See that breakout continue. Amazon's one of those ones you get into one of those calls there, and if it has one big candle, you're either up or down $200, $300 pretty quick. Markets are still climbing. Dow's only down about 83 points now. Nasdaq's only down about 87. So definitely continuing to climb here. Let me put Q's over on this other chart. Q's are still climbing, looking good there. Nice job, Avilio. We locked in the $300 profit on Amazon. Nice job. Gonna hold on to my Amazon a little bit. There we go. Let's see that climb off that 10. There we go. Let's see that next breakout now to 32.75. That'd be a nice climb there and a nice gain.
Larry Kudlow says it's been an honor working for President Trump for the past 3 years, and it's been a tremendous experience for him.
Market's still climbing. Dow's only down 72 right now. Nasdaq's only down 78, so markets are still climbing here. There we go. There goes Amazon taking off again. Let's see that climb continue. There we go. Back in the green on Amazon. Nice climb there. Let's see that climb continue here. Dow wants to turn green. That's for sure. Nice breakout here, team. Nice breakout. $21.20 by $21.55.
Washington Post says that Trump might fire Defense Secretary Esper and CIA Director Haspel as early as today.
Wow, Trump's going to be firing some people soon. There we go, guys. I just sold out of the Amazon day trade, $21.50. That was another nice day trade there. Let's see. We were in at 1957, out at 21.50. It's a quick 10% gain. She's still climbing too. Avilio, we both sold a little early on that. Nice job today, team. Amazon looks ready for another breakout. I might do another day trade on it. Guys, if you guys are liking this video, please give this YouTube video a thumbs up. Give it a like for us. I'd appreciate it. Share it on social media, too, if you can. Guys, our Tilray trade just went in the green. Tilray's starting to take off. TLRY. Nice day so far. Look at that candle on Tilray. Big breakout there. Nice gains already on Tilray. Nicely done. See what our Walmart trade's doing. Walmart's coming down to that 50-day simple moving average at 145.27. See if it holds that 50 and continues its climb here. Let me watch Amazon here as well. I might do another Amazon day trade. Tyler, I'd love to see him say that live on air one day. Today would be a great day. You know, he knows he's going to be moving out of the White House. It'd be nice to just see him come in and fire everyone. Mark Esper, you're fired. He can't fire Fauci. It'd be funny, though, if he said, Mike Pence, you're fired. Looks like Amazon might start to climb here again.
Jeff Stein of the Washington Post.
Guys, we got a $100 gain on our Tilray trade this morning. The small Tilray trade we just made.
Says McConnell now in lead on GOP stimulus strategy. McConnell expected to advance a skinny package, which has been dead on arrival with House Democrats with administration's blessing. TKC, Turkcell halted for news, Tango Kilo Charlie.
679443. 679443. There goes Amazon breaking out again, team. She's now at 25.30 a share or contract. 25.60 now a contract for that call we had. Would have been a nice almost $1,000 gain if we held on to it a little bit longer. Thinking about making another entry on this. Guys, our Tilray trade's up $150 right now. Alex T, you got in on that pullback. You added to that trade. I told you a great job. That was a good idea. You saw some of the members there. They got a little anxious when we had that pullback on Tilray. But you saw we got back up to that resistance. What happened? This is what's really important. This is what I try to teach you guys every day. And you got to understand this. Okay? So here was the resistance we were talking about for before, right? Now, here was the resistance. Now, we had that pullback here, and this is where you guys started to worry, okay? You guys were worrying, okay? But I said, guys, it held that 850 support, and I told you guys that as we were going along. She started to climb, and what happened? Look at how it consolidated at that resistance area for what? Since 10 to 10:20. For 20 minutes, you had a 20-minute consolidation. 20-minute consolidation there. So for 20 minutes it consolidated. Once she started to break out, bam, you know, $200 gains pretty quick there. Alex ended up knowing the trade plan. He added when we came down to support and got that bounce off support. He messaged in the trade room, said, hey, I'm adding to the Tilray trade. He added to it, and sky's the limit now. So that's what's important about being patient. There's a reason why on this trade we got the December 18th expo. Remember that. There's a reason why. There goes Tilray again. Guys, if you get another 20% gain on Tilray tomorrow, wait until you see the gain you're going to have on those options. It's going to be insane. You're going to be up $1,000 on just 10 contracts there. There goes Walmart taking off. Big climb on Walmart, team. Let's take a look. WMT. I like how it's holding and climbing with that 50 here as we continue to go along.
NEPT, Neptune Wellness, getting another
$120 gain on our Tilray trade.
Another marijuana-related issue, hitting highs now up 12.5% for NEPT.
Guys on YouTube, if you guys are watching, enjoying this, making some money, or just enjoying the trading here, please give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like for us on YouTube here. Subscribe to our channel so you can get all notifications. And make sure you try to share it on social media. I'd appreciate it. Tilray, we're up over $210 now on Tilray, team. TLRY, the IV is continuing to spike. She's at 141 by $1.50 now. $210 gain on our Tilray trade. Look at Tilray continuing to climb and pop here. Nice day. I think Walmart's going to have incredible earnings there, Tyler. I had to be holding into it into earnings there.
We're reporting that there will be a recount in Georgia.
There will be a recount in Georgia.
For the Secretary of State.
You guys see how Tilray's up 24% for the day, right? This is going to continue over the next few days here. Take a look at the 3-month daily chart. She's at the highs again for the day. We're now up $250 on our Tilray trade. She's going to continue to run here as, you know, Biden's winning office. Alrighty, Efren, I just took out our Tilray trade there. I was up a nice amount on that. I wanted to lock in profit. I just closed it out there. Closed it out at $1.45. And there we go. Everyone that was watching on YouTube today, all those trades we made, Tilray, AMD, Amazon, Walmart, nice gains on those trades, team. Sold Tilray for $1.45. And there she goes. She's taking off again on Tilray. Still on the climb. Look at Tilray still going, still chomping higher. December 18th, we had the 10 strike. That's going for $1.55 now. Nice job, Tyler. She's still climbing. Look at that now at $1.69. Oof. I just missed out on an extra $200 there in a matter of 2 minutes. When was that? 10:37. So here's where I sold. Just those 2 extra candles, I would have made over $200 more. Skyjack's up 43% on Tilray. Nice job, Skyjack. Amazon's pulling back here once again. Pierre, remember what I talked to you on the phone about? Lock in those profits. Remember what I told you about the timing? 9:30 to 11, right? Look at what time's coming up here. Nice job, Pierre. Locked in $1,800 in profits this morning. He just sent me a text. Let's see. Nice, nice, Pierre. Thank you for that text. I appreciate that. Told you I'm here for you, buddy. I'm here for all you guys. Any of you guys need me, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'm happy to help you out there. Pierre needed a little bit of help with confidence, and I definitely gave it back to him yesterday. Nice job. You guys are amazing. Love it. I love the team we got here. There goes Tilray having another run. Ephraim, most important thing is that app alert. Look at Tilray still breaking higher, nearing $10 a share now on Tilray. Now $1.70 ask on those 10 straight calls. Missed out an extra $300 in 5 minutes there from selling Tilray a little early. Extra 300 in 5 minutes. That would have been nice. Tilray is a beast today. Wow. Square is now up 11%, team.
Earnings out, shares halted.
Look at that breakout on Square this morning. What a move higher.
Their earnings. Turkcell reporting
Nice move.
a net profit of 1.21 billion lira versus a profit of 801.3 million a year ago. Revenue of 7.45 billion versus 6.31 billion lira a year ago. That's for Tango Kilo Charlie. Again, shares were halted ahead of that report. TKC. Report, Georgia has 8,000 military ballots coming in. According to Fox's Ed Lawrence. CLXT, Calix, shares spiking to the high, $3.80. Charlie Lima X-Ray Tango.
Guys, Tilray is soaring here. TLRY. Look at that breakout on Tilray. Smashed above 10.14 a share. What are those contracts at now? Man, oh man, that's going to be one that continues to run.
Another marijuana-related issue. Hitting new highs, 375 KERN.
December 18th, now at 203. Wow. Missed out on an extra $600
Phase 2 clinical trial data evaluating Anavex
on 10 minutes.
In Parkinson's disease dementia presented at CTAD 2020 conference. That's Alpha Victor X-Ray Lima, AVXL.
SP, your nickname in the trade room is Spy. Spy just sold Tilray for a 60% gain. Nice job, Spy. Let's see. Thomas L. said he just sold Tilray for a 45% gain. Skyjack sold Tilray 46% gain. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Tyler, I hope you feel better, buddy. Tyler S. Neo's back at 43, they're saying. Let's see. Look at that, though. That 10 strike call now at 205 is just at there. Let's see. What did he say? Neo. Neo had that big pullback this morning, continuing to break higher. Amazon's looking ready for another climb. I might do another Amazon day trade today. We're going to have some good trading this afternoon, I think. I really like the way things are looking here. There goes Neo again, looking to take out the highs of the day. I know, PLTR is unbelievable. PLTR. Wow, look at that, up 23. Avilio, what would you be up if you held that from yesterday? What a break out there. That's looking like that's going to continue to run, though. I could see that getting up to 25 bucks easily. There goes Tilray again, $9.99. $9.99? Are you out of your mind? There she goes, breaking $10 again. Tyler, I talked about Piton before. I think Piton's going to continue higher. Even the analysts are saying with COVID continuing to climb, you know, we should see that back at 140. To me, I think it's overvalued, but what the market's looking for is totally different than, you know, than what we want to think or say or do. So with COVID continuing to climb, obviously, if we go into more lockdowns here, that's going to continue to run. And if Biden gets into office, I think he was talking about doing another lockdown to contain the virus. I'm not a fan of Etsy. Whoever talked about Etsy. Etsy's climbing from those lows. I agree. If we go into another lockdown, we're screwed. There goes Tilray taking off again here, team. Nice breakout on Tilray once again. 10.08 a share. Thinking about making another trade on Tilray here. Option chain, let's take a look. This time I might go with January 15th Expo. Let's see here. Let's see what's going on with that. Order status. There we go. I just got back into Tilray trade. I got the Tilray January 15th 10 strike call. Okay, guys? Already up a quick $50 on that trade. Look, up $100 now on that trade. Tilray January 15th 10 strike call, team. She is taking up now up $140 on that trade. What a move.
SNDL, Sundial Growers, very heavy volume, low price stock, Sandy November Delta Lima.
Look at Tilray, guys. We're up $200 on the new Tilray trade already. Unbelievable. Wow, guys, we're up $400 now. $500 on our new Tilray trade. Nice job there. Medical marijuana stocks are going to continue to rise as Biden is looking good. S&P's 500 says rub them hands. There we go. Another big move on Tilray. Wow, look at the gains we have on Tilray already. Look at that continued breakout, team. What a run. Beautiful move on Tilray there. Look at that run. Up 36% today. 37% gain. She's still running higher.
Italy reporting 37,800
Italy.
coronavirus cases on Friday. 446 deaths in the last 24 hours. That in Italy.
That's in Italy. I paid on Tilray. I paid 2.20 for the January 2021 calls. That's going to continue that run higher, team. She's still on the climb. There she goes again. Another big breakout on Tilray. There she goes. Let's see it break $11 now. And remember, looking at this chart here, I mean, look at where it was just a year ago. You know, this was a $25 stock a year ago. 3 years ago, 150 bucks. Got up to 300. So we're definitely looking good on this Tilray trade. Love that setup there. There we go. There's that next climb. Here comes that next climb. There we go. Another nice breakout there on Tilray. Getting up to $11. See it break that 11. There she goes. Big breakout on Tilray. Huge run there on Tilray. Look at that breakout. Look at that at 310. That's a nice breakout there, team. Let's see it continue that run.
S&P futures are dropping here.
Guys, I just sold our Tilray trade at $3. Nice way to end the day. I'm out of Tilray, $3. That was another quick $600 there. Trade challenge accounts nearing $7,000 now. We were in at 220, out at $3. That was a quick 36.36% gain. And she's still running. Nice job, team. Imagine if we had the expo for today on Tilray. Tilray's still breaking higher. Nice job. Wow, look at Tilray still taking off here, team. Hey, YouTube, we're going to be getting off of YouTube right now. We're going to stay live on the Pro Trader and Trader session here on BreakingChartAlerts.com. So YouTube gave you some great trades today. Those trades you made there, you should have some nice profits. Come join us. Breaking Chart Alerts. Members are doing great. Big day in the trade room for us. Big day. Tyler sold those calls for 200%. 170% gain. Eduardo says, awesome day today. Nice job. S&P 500's up 43%. I call him S&P 500. His name's Steven. Guys, come join us. BreakingChartAlerts.com. I'll see you guys on YouTube on Monday unless you come join us at BreakingChartAlerts.com and shoot us a message if you guys need to. You know, if you guys have any questions right here, go down here, click on that messenger, click on log in a messenger, shoot us a message, and happy to help you guys out here. Great day.